Hi, I'm Sid, and I live on a small farm homestead near Bellingham, Washington, which is in almost the furthest northwest corner of Washington state. Our family has been looking for things to do to keep ourselves occupied and help our own family, but also we want to find ways to reach out to the community and be helpful. One of the ways that we have chosen to do that is to start a victory garden. And in case you haven't heard of a victory garden before, it's something that was started during World War II in the United States, where people started vegetable gardens, herbs, flowers in their backyards or in containers in their homes, and grew their own food for their families and for their neighbors. And that's what we're doing. And I thought, since we live out here and we have the knowledge to do that, maybe we would share some of that information with other people. I'm hoping that with this time that we have, maybe I can share some information with all of you about how we go about growing our vegetables and fruit and herbs and flowers, and also how we keep our bees and chickens and other animals. I genuinely find that gardening is the best way for me to connect with myself and, I guess, the earth. It's always been my happy place, and I think now more than ever it's important for us to find our happy place. I hope that you find it to be your happy place too. If there are certain things that you are particularly interested in learning about or want to grow, post questions in the comment section. I'd love to hear about it, and maybe it's something that we can learn more about together. Otherwise, I'll just go ahead with my own planting schedule and post as I go. I'm looking forward to it. Thanks so much.